Hello, family and friends. This is Beverly Black, and welcome to our kitchen. Today, we are going to be making fried potato cakes or patties, whichever one you would want to call them. So, stay around, come on, pull up a chair, and learn how to make it. Here I have some leftover potatoes, mashed potatoes. Instead of throwing those mashed potatoes away, use them and make some fried potato cakes. They are the best. And what you need is your mashed potatoes and one egg, a little bit of onion powder, or you can use a whole onion, not a whole onion. I would use maybe a half an onion and put that in there, and salt and pepper. And I put a little flour in there for the thickness. Some people use self-rise and some all-purpose. But today I will be using all-purpose flour. I'm mixing the egg in now to the mashed potato mixture, getting that all mixed up together. I put the onion powder in, not onion salt, but look, y'all, I found an eggshell. Watch it, sing your moment. But continue to stir, stir, stir. I'm getting it all mixed together. I have my cast iron skillet on the stove with a little bit of oil in it. I'm putting in the all-purpose flour now, about a tablespoon. I'm mixing in with it. Mix it all up together. If you're new to this channel and this is your first time here, please hit that red subscribe button and come on and join the family over here. We would love to have you. I had to put a little more flour in it. It wasn't the texture that I wanted. I wanted a little bit, not real thick, but just a little bit so it'll hold together while it is frying. It's coming together good. You see my red pot there? It's down in the description if you're interested in getting one. I keep it on my stove all the time. And it is cast iron. And you can find it on Amazon. So if you're interested in getting one of these pots, look down in the description. Even that iron skillet, you can find iron skillets on Amazon. You see that pound cake I made over there on the side? It was for a friend that I was supposedly to take it to church Sunday and forgot all about it. And there's the cake. Well, we're getting ready to fry up these patties. I'm testing out one there to see if the oil is hot. And it's not, because I have the stove on low. Another senior moment. I had the stove on low. Turn it up so we can fry these potato cakes or potato patties, whichever way you want to call them. Waiting on that grease to come up to par for me. Beverly, get that sleeve away before you get it in the skillet. Continuing to wait. It's about time to try one again. The grease is getting hot now. And it was probably 3 potatoes left for the mashed potatoes, and that onion powder, and 1 egg, and the flour. Maybe a tablespoon and a half maybe. Now I'm using a large spoon, and I'm just dipping them out and putting them in the rounds in the skillet. And these 3 potatoes that was left, I will use them all in this skillet right now. They are sizzling good. And you will let them cook maybe 2 to 3 minutes on each side until you see them browning, and then flip them over. Did I tell you that I had my microphone turned off and I had to do these voiceovers? Because when I went to check the video, it was no voice. I didn't turn the microphone on. But thank God for voiceovers, and I'm doing it now. I would love for you to be hearing the sizzling sound, but they are frying up good. I'm getting ready to test one to see how it's looking on the other side. They are coming along nicely. And I'm just a talking and nothing's recording. I am just a talking. It's about time for me to start turning them over so you can see all that goodness where they're browning, where they're doing their, see there? Look at there, look at there. Just look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? From your leftover mashed potatoes. Don't throw those mashed potatoes out anymore. Fry up some little patties or cakes, whichever way you want to call them. Oh, yes, they are. Aren't those beautiful? And oh, so tasty. Now they have to fry on the other side. When they get through, it's a done deal. You can snack on these, or you can have them with a meal. You know, they good with some pinto beans. However you want to want them to, want it to go with. And for those who are here for the first time, welcome to our family here at Beverly Black. And if you have not hit that that red subscribe button, go ahead and hit it and become a part of this family. Leave a comment and hit that like button. And please share this video out that others can see it. Sharing is caring. I would really appreciate it if you would share it out and show the love. They are still frying up good. I'm getting ready to put them on that plate I have next to the skillet with the paper towel in it. So some of the excess grease can be absorbed. Oh, there they go. That's one down. The devil is a liar. He thought I wasn't going to be able to get my video up. Thank God for voiceover. There's another one. And they are all coming out now. They gonna come out. I'm sorry for that sleeve fanning in your face. I didn't realize it when I was videoing. There they are. All that goodness. From 3 little potatoes, 1 egg, some flour, and you got it. Just mix it all up good. Put a little bit of grease in your skillet and fry those potato cakes up. Thank you everyone for coming today. But remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are his masterpiece. And our God does not make any junk. You are made in his image. I love you, but God loves you more. Everyone be safe and prosperous. And thank you so much for watching this video.